The 2nd day of June this year at about 8 along Committee Road at Mirema Junction, Nairobi County, being the driver of motor vehicle KDJ 207P Nissan Note, you did allow the vehicle to remain on the road in a manner likely to obstruct or cause inconvenience to other road users by making a U-turn on the road. Is that true or not true? The 2nd day of June this year at about 8 along Committee Road, Mirema Junction, Nairobi County, driver of motor vehicle KDJ 207P Nissan Note, you carried 5 passengers instead of 4 passengers, hence you had 1 excess passenger. Is that true or not true? Directives advice to be driven by Kasarani to Kasarani Police Station. On reaching Quickmart, you refused by pushing gear lever from drive to parking after being required to do so by Corporal Jacob Ogendo, a police officer in uniform. Is that true or not true?